Hello, good morning, everyone. So welcome to daily briefing today. So today is 10th August, so which is Tuesday, and Let us recap on our previous important economic data. So the first one is Switzerland unemployment rate July. So the previous forecast and actual they remain the same at 2.8%. So this one didn't bring much effect to the Swiss francs yesterday. Okay. So the next one is US JOLTs job openings. Okay, June. So previous is 9.483 million. The forecast is 9.218 million, and the actual is 10.073 million. So this actual is slightly higher than the forecast and also the previous. So this one actually bring good news, good news for the US dollar. So let's take a look on our market graph here. So we can see that the US dollar index here is actually rise up here at last night. Okay, so let's go back to our PowerPoint. So the next one is recap previous day market volatility. So it's gold. So the market volatility for gold yesterday is it's declined 850 pips in Asia section when opening. Okay, and then it's declined again 250 pips in US session. Okay, so what happened on last night at the market last night? So let's read the factor here. So the price of gold fell to a low in more than 4 months on Monday in early Asia section. Okay, so the price of gold fell below $1,700, a drop of 4.4%. But then recover some of the lost ground. So as we can see here, the gold prices fell down here, and then it recover some of the lost ground, and then it dropped again. Okay, so because of the strong US employment data boosted the expectations that the Fed will cut its economic support earlier this year. Okay, so the dollar index rose to a 2-week high, making gold boosters bull more difficult. Okay, so the next one is when come to today, we have to take focus on these important economic data in EU section. So there are no any important economic data in Asia section and also US section. But when come to EU section, we have to focus on this. Germany ZEW Economic Sentiment Index August. Okay, so the previous is 63.3. The forecast is 57. The data release time is at 5 o'clock in the evening today. Okay, so a higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish for the euro dollar. So while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative or bearish for the euro dollar. Okay, so we go to the last part of the briefing today. So it's a market update for gold. Okay, so resistance level for gold today is 1748 and the support level is 1727. 24. Okay, my personal opinion will take it as a good bearish since from last Thursday until now. Okay, so let us read the factor here why I will take it as bearish for today. So Fed officials have been debating when and how to start on bond purchase reduction. Okay, so the hawkish remarks of Fed Vice Chairman Kavita last week has changed the expectation of euro dollar futures rate high from June 2023 to early 2023. Okay, so Atlanta Fed President Bostic said yesterday, okay, that the US economy is improving faster than expected, that the Fed is quickly approaching the point when it starts to reduce the scale of bond purchases, and inflation has reached a key for criterion for starting to raise their interest rates. Okay, so he expects to start reducing bond purchases in the fourth quarter. But if the job market, if the labor market maintains the recent strong growth pace, he is open to starting to reduce bond purchases earlier. After the price of gold fell sharply for 2 consecutive days, which is last Friday and also yesterday, okay, the gold market sentiment turned pessimistic, and the future trend of gold price will be even more pessimistic. Okay, so let us take a look on the market graph at our right side here. So if the price didn't go up, didn't break through the resistance level today 1748, so we will still take it as a bearish. So if the price break through the support level here 1724, then we will make our target to lower here to support level 2. This 17 and 3. So if the gold prices break through the resistance level here, then uh we will move up our target to 1764. So that's all for our briefing today. So and I hope you and I wish hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you again. So that's all for today. Bye bye.